Hey everybody, it's Ron Sharon. We are back at it again, sitting in front of, check this out, Lightning Buffalo LiNK. We just walked up to this one and we put $100 in. Somebody left this, so we're going to do their backup for them. We don't have Lightning Buffalo LiNK at our regular casino, but let's see.
Back to back with those.
Let's do it.
Eagles.
Almost. Yeah, that's a good little something, something. Little something, something. Actually, it was good. I'll stick with it for a second. Coins? All right, come on. That would be something. Two more. Oh, I thought you did too.
I'd love to play it.
I know. Let's get it. If it doesn't like the 2 cent, we'll change it up. Coins. Let's get it. Oh, nope. Does it not like the 2 cent? Oh, just needed a row of 4. Just needed a row of 4. Want to change it up?
Gotta do it. What to play? There's 1 cent. There's 2 cents.
Let's see. Nope. I'm doing it wrong.
We've never played this game. They don't have this.
Right. Oh, come on now. Some good numbers. Let's get it. Come on, Lightning Buffalo LiNK. Let's do this. Let's get it. Come on, how's the coins doing?
Buffalo.
Oh, that could have been started something.
Need some coins.
Come on now.
All right. Maybe back to the 2 cent.
Yeah, you know what? Let's do it. How about those coins? Do this. Ah,
Gotta do it.
there's 3. Oh, I thought that could have been the one. Just need a bunch of those guys. 4. Oh, row 4 would have done it.
I would love to see the feature, like I said.
I know.
Others play it. We've never gotten to play it because it's never anywhere
Right.
where we're at. Just happened upon this today. 1 more coin.
Got it.
Okay. Yay.
All right,
Now
let's-
maybe we can get this buffalo in the
Well,
winter.
can we get the buffalo right away? That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Let's do this. Oh, we got aces. Yeah. Come on, we need the balls. Or the buffaloes. Kings.
Kings times 2. Come on. Coins.
There you go.
That
More
helps.
coins.
Thank you.
That helps.
Come on. 8 of these.
More
Another
coins?
coin if you don't pay. That's
Yeah, right. All right, come on now. Do it. Do it. Kings.
Kings.
Still being chintzy now. Come on.
Come on.
No chintziness.
Big, big, big.
That could have been
We
something.
need buffaloes at the front.
Do it. Oh,
We need
coin.
another coin at least.
Yeah, come on. A lot of wasted spins. Some more coins. Well, we're getting some spins, but not getting paid. We're only up to what, $9.40? Come on.
Turn it around. Come on.
Too many wasted spins now. Come on.
Yeah. Come on. Again, if you're not going to pay, give some coins.
Right. You called it. Yeah.
It's still only paid this.
I know. We got to get something
Well,
going.
times 3. Like
Got to get something.
big deal,
Coin.
big
Another
deal.
coin. Oh, there you go.
Another coin. I don't believe it. books again. Oh, come on.
Come on now.
Where's those buffalo?
With all those spins, we gotta get something.
Just the moose. But didn't make it.
We need something real good here. Come on. 4. Oh,
Okay, I'll take the point.
we're getting all kinds of coins.
Okay.
2 more. Got it. All right.
Okay, let's go.
They're small, but we're in.
It's fine.
At least we're
Potential for at least
right. At least we're in.
or whatever. All right, come on, everybody.
Go.
Just one at a time. One at a time.
Go.
Come on, is that good words? That's
There you go. There you go. Where's all the big buffaloes?
I know. He smiled like he wants to land there.
You did?
Yeah. See? Told ya. All right, look for the next smile. Anybody else smiling?
Come on now.
Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
Nice. Yay! We got the mini. Mini's 40. All right. Bring another mini.
Come on.
Bring that green major. That'd be awesome. Do it. Oh, another mini I saw flash.
All right, two more.
Come on. Stay hot. Do it.
One more buffalo. Come on.
Come on, stay hot. Keep it fun. Keep it fun. Oh, another mini one.
Left right
Yeah.
here.
Actually, that's
Great.
pretty good.
We've got 10 more spins, 11 more spins, I think, still.
Gonna do that again? That would be awesome.
And add it up. So that's good. All right, 10 more spins.
There we go.
11 spins.
Still got 11 spins left. Wow.
Yes.
All right, now we're making some hay. Now we're making some hay.
Wait, come on now.
All right,
Do that again.
do that again.
Hit
Yeah.
this again.
There's some more coins.
Come on.
Oh, I thought you did it. Nah, come on now. Too many wasted spins again. Come on, coins.
Don't waste the spins.
Oh.
Oh, there's a page since it got off there.
Right.
Come on.
Need some coins. Oh. Three spins left. Unless we get a coin. Oh, I saw it flash by. Last spin.
Please do it on the left.
Wow. Saved it on the last spin.
Let's get these. Come on.
Oh,
Roll 4.
come on, make it worthwhile. Make it worthwhile saving it. Oh. Do it.
Do it.
4. We need 4.
87. Okay,
Well-
thank goodness we got the buffaloes.
Yeah, that saved us.
Okay. Fun.
Well, you know what? Let's do a backup.
That was still fun anyway.
You know what though? Lightning, Buffalo, LiNK.
Yeah. We never get to play it.
First
so
time we've ever played it.
At least we got the ball.
Hey, we're up $35.
Yay!
All right, you guys, take care. All right, you guys, we stuck with it, and as you can see, we got 3 spins remaining. 1 spot to hit. Lightning, Buffalo, LiNK.
Can we do it?
That would be awesome. I just want to see it flash by.
3 chances. Flash.
Let's do this. Come on. I don't see it flashing by.
I do not either.
Come on, you can do this. Do it. And last.
Maybe it'll flash by on the last chance.
Do it.
Just do it. Oh,
Oh,
so fun.
that was cool.
That was so fun. Still good though.
No, not bad.
They're on the low end now.
They are 2 cents.
$34 or $10,000, you know.
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, not
Same thing.
exactly.
Still fun.
All right,
Still fun.
let's do a little backup. Man,
Take it back.
it looks so good too,
It's
don't
big.
it?
Fill it again.
That would be cool.
Oh.
All right, you guys. Lightning, Buffalo, LiNK. Love it. Take care.